Welcome. In front of me is a HAFURY GT20, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into Bootloader. So to get started, hold your power button and select power off. And when the device turns off, you want to hold your power button and volume up at the same time. Let's just first wait for this to turn off. There we go. So power button and volume up. And after a brief moment, we will see the bootloader. Once you see this, you can let go of the keys and then you can navigate using only volume up. You have only three options. We have recovery mode, and let me just quickly look at it closer. So we have recovery, Fastboot, and normal boot in this kind of order. So you select them using volume up. As you can see, there's this arrow jumping to the bottom. Once it reaches the last option, then jumps straight to the first one at the top. And once you have some options selected that you want to confirm, press volume down. Now I am selecting normal boot, which will take me back to Android. And there we go. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.